There's a new man at the helm of Nissan Philippines Incorporated. Yasuhisa Masuda has been appointed president of Nissan Philippines, replacing Juan Manuel Hoyos, who takes on a new role of president of the Mexico-based Nissan Importers Business Unit, or NIBU, in the Americas. Masuda has big shoes to fill at Nissan Philippines. During Hoyos' 3-year tenure, Nissan saw launches of multiple products, which resulted in 31% growth in sales at the end of 2023. At the turnover ceremony, Masuda outlined his priorities as president of Nissan Philippines.
Definitely, my priority is a brand. The brand is increasing everything, not only the product, but also the dealership, and also the such communication as well. I want to, have the more robust kind of brand image in the Philippines. And then definitely we want to giving some excitement to the customer. Having those kind of experience through our technology, that we want to create a very strong brand in the Philippines.
While in the Philippines, Masuda is looking forward to enjoy visiting various islands and tourist attractions in the country.
We have more than 7,000 islands, right? And I'm very looking forward to visiting some nice beach and the mountainside. Everything is very, I'm looking forward to.